Want to know if your Wix app is the next big thing? Let's unlock the secrets of the Wix App Store analytics together. First, you'll need to access your Wix developer's dashboard. Head over to Wix.com and log in with your developer account credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the My Apps section. Here, you'll find a list of all the apps you've published or are currently developing. Select the app you want to analyze. Now, look for the Analytics tab, usually found on the left-hand side or top navigation bar. Click on it. Great, this is where the magic happens here. You'll find a wealth of data about your app's performance. You can see the total number of downloads, installations, and even the number of active users over a specific period. Pay close attention to the trends shown in the graphs. Are your installations increasing? Is user engagement growing? These insights are key to understanding what's working and what needs improvement. Don't forget to check the user reviews and ratings. This valuable feedback directly reflects user satisfaction and can highlight areas where you can enhance your app. Most analytics dashboards allow you to filter data by date range. Use this feature to analyze your app's performance during specific campaigns or updates. By regularly monitoring these metrics, you can gain a deep understanding of how users interact with your app, leading to data-driven decisions that will boost visibility and user satisfaction. Now, get out there and make your app even better.